There's...
Uh-oh. What was that noise? That noise has scared them. Okay. Oh, they're trying to get them out of there. That's why they don't want them there.
There's 5 of them. Here it comes. There's like a mama. Last time me and my mom saw 4 of them. Now this is 5. You got to be kidding me. Did you get all this?
Mm-hmm.
There's another one. There's 6 of them. There's another one. It's come to join. He's looking right at us. Okay, 1. There's 5 deer out here.
I think they know.
There's 7 of them. 9. Is that the 6th?
That was a good hop right over the fence.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 deer. Get the one way back there. Look at all the deer.
Chasing them out.
6 of them. I am not going out there. There's the downy woodpecker to scare them away.
There's another one.
What? Oh yeah, there's 7 of them. Oh, there's an 8th one. There's an 8th one way back there. There's an 8th one. There's 8 deer out here. You seen this? There's an 8th one right over there. 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4. Wait. 2, 4, 6. Yeah, 8. 8 of them. There's 8 of these deer. There's one looking right at me. He's like, I'm gonna go inspect this. This is my world record of seeing deer at one time. I bet these deer like this place.
There's food.
Yeah, they must like it. Oh, there's the downy woodpecker at the zoo. You're gonna go scare him off.